Hello friends, I am Ashok.sanodiya and I welcome you back in your own organic gardening channel. Friends, in today's video we are going to explain about three methods which help us to make the best soil medium for rooting our plant cuttings faster. And if you are also trying to grow any plant by using their cuttings, then please understand all these methods carefully by watching this video till the end. So friends, the first method is useful for people who live in an urban area and soil is not easily available to them. For them, cocopeat is the best option to use, but here we need to use cocopeat in the right manner, otherwise the plant cuttings may fail and start decay without start rooting. So for using cocopeat, first of all ready it by following the washing and drying process, and if you did not watch our earlier video then you can watch it by using the link in the description. So after making it ready, now take required amount of cocopeat and pour it in a mixing tray like this. Now take equal amount of fine sand and pour it over the cocopeat and mix both of them together as we are doing here. And after the mixing process, our first soil medium is ready to use. The second method is useful for those people who lives in an area where they get only clay soil. As you all know that clay soil always have the problem of waterlogging, and due to this problem the air do not pass properly. And if we use clay soil for cuttings, then there is high probability that our cuttings will not start rooting and start decaying. So for improving clay soil, first of all we need to take required amount of clay soil and pour it in a mixing tray like this. And after this we need to take equal amount of fine sand as we used in our first method. And after taking it, just pour it over the clay soil and mix both of them together as we are doing here. And after the mixing process, our second soil medium is ready to use. The third method is useful for people who lives in an area where they get only sandy soil. And as you all know that sandy soil contain a high amount of sand inside it, and due to this water drain out quickly from it. So for using sandy soil, we just need to use it directly. Means sandy soil is the best option if we want to grow any plant by using their cutting, because it help a lot in the callousing process, which is the most important part to start rooting. So these are all three methods or tips to make the best soil medium for rooting plant cuttings faster. And if we use any of them, then we can grow any plant by using their cuttings. I hope this information will help you, and for any further query, you can write us in the comments box and we will try to answer you soon. Thank you and have a nice day.